China has pledged maximum efforts to safeguard its energy supply amid increasing uncertainties in the global energy market caused by international geopolitical conflicts. China will strive to increase coal production capacity by 300 million tons. Its raw coal output rose 10.3% year-on-year to 1.08 billion tons in the first quarter of 2022. The country's central bank will issue 100 billion yuan of reloans to support coal development and energy storage. China is also developing renewable energy. In the first 3 months this year, the capacity of wind power jumped 17.4% year-on-year to 340 million kilowatts. During the same period, solar farms saw capacity reach 320 million kilowatts, with an increase of 22.9%. In its plan for hydrogen energy development, China aims to achieve 100,000 tons to 200,000 tons of annual hydrogen production from renewable energy by 2025. Meanwhile, nuclear power will also be developed in a well-paced manner on the premise of ensuring absolute security and exercising strict oversight. China has recently approved new generating units at 3 nuclear power stations.